Welcome back to the Beginner Rhythm and Counting series. We are on level 2.4 today, and this is exciting because it's the very last worksheet in level 2. We are almost done this course. Level 3 is the very last level in the beginner series, and you are almost there. You probably noticed your rhythm abilities and counting abilities and even playing abilities just skyrocketing since you started this course. If you've been following along and working along with me, I promise you, it's working. You've noticed it. It's a wonderful thing. And my students have been seeing this for over a decade. So thank you very much. If you want to know more about this course, you can find information in the description below. You can wait to the very end of the video and you can look at my website, which is also in the description, and I will explain a lot more at the end. Let's get right into it. We have our 3 very important rules. 1 being show each beat or pulse. Number 2, only show what's needed. And number 3, write clearly and concisely, which, as you can tell, is probably mostly for me. So here we go. We are on number 1. Now, this is a reiteration of a lot of things, so let's get right into it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If none of this makes sense, I suggest you go back and watch from the very beginning in level 1, and then it will make a lot more sense because it's a building process and you're here to learn, and learning does not happen overnight, but I promise you this is worth it. Here we go. We're going to clap and count all of number 1. We have our 72 beat per minute metronome, and you have my hands to show you and for you to follow along with. You're doing exactly what I do, clapping and counting everything. Number 1, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Easy stuff, I know. This is reiteration. It's a wonderful thing. Here we go. Number 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Here we go. Number 2, clapping and counting with 1, 2, number 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. All finished. Next up, we have number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clapping and counting. We're going to be done before you know it. 1, 2, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All finished. Number 6. Number 6. What am I talking about? Number 4. I'm getting way ahead of myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a side note, you should have already finished this entire page all the way to number 7, because this is just reiteration. Nothing is new in this level 2.4. So make sure you do it all yourself, and that way you're just checking your answers and you're not copying your answers, which is not going to help you as much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Number 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Almost there. This is exciting. I love when we finish an entire level. It's a wonderful thing. Number 5 is coming up. So here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Clapping and counting all together. Ready? 1, 2, number 5. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. All done. If you're making mistakes, remember you can always rewind the video and redo it with me, or do it on your own with a metronome, a different metronome, your own. You can go to Google, type in metronome, one will pop up. You can also find one probably on your phone or tablet or devices. Just go to the app stores. There are tons and tons of free metronome apps, and you can speed up to any tempo you want, faster, really fast, whatever you like, whatever's comfortable, and that way you can practice it at different tempos and master these combinations. Doing each one of these lines at least twice, I promise, is going to make everything so much better, so much faster. Number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. I'm going quite fast because you should have already finished it, and we're just, again, checking our answers. Here we go. Number 6. 1, 2, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. All done. Number 7, very last one of level 2. It's an exciting day. Congratulations, you are almost there. 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Number 7. 1, 2, number 7. 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. All done. Congratulations. It's a big day for you. You finished level 2. We are on to the very last level in the beginner series. You're almost there, level 3, which will include dotted half notes, dotted quarter notes. Not dotted half notes, but dotted quarter notes. It's an important thing because we've covered, as an example, we've covered half a beat. I'll put 0.5 of a beat, which is an eighth note. We've covered 1 beat, which is the quarter note. We've covered 2 beats. I'm sorry. Let me go back and fix that, make it look a bit more professional. And we also have had 4 beats with the whole note. We're missing that 3, and that is what you'll find out in level 3. Kind of an on-purpose pun there. But either way, thanks for watching. Now, if you're wondering what this course is and you're wondering how to get it, then you are in the right place, because you can find it all in the description below on YouTube. There's a bunch of links. One is to my website. The others are to the playlist that plays all of these videos in order. And if you go to my website, which is also on the bottom of each sheet, this part especially, but the slash music dash education is the link to where you can find the rest of the courses. And you can find them all right here, which is that slash music dash education. So proteanman.com. And what happens is you can find 1, 2, 3, and more on the way. I'm currently developing the intermediate and advanced courses. So they are coming soon, but they might be available for you already. You can either add it to your cart or you can click its image and you can find the storefront page right here, which gives you more information, introduction video, and a few more things that are very, very helpful and handy. Now, one good thing to remember is that when you get this course, the link you will get through your email is good forever. You can download it as many times as you'd like, delete it, download it, go to a new computer and download it if you're at work or somewhere else. Because I want you to be able to use this wherever you go and make sure you don't lose it or lose track of that email. So if for some reason you do actually delete the email, you can always send me a message at the contact right here, or just head over here to the store page, the music education page, and have a question. Should have this button here which you can answer, I can ask, and even give me a comment too, an idea. I'm open to anything, and I will do my best with that. I'll answer you as quickly and concisely as I can, and I'm here to help you learn. This is an educational purpose. Everything here is to help you get better at music and whatever else I'm teaching in these courses. So please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to hear from you soon, and I look forward to seeing you in level 3.